got 50-some-odd hours on it, I believe. The gentleman's retiring from farming. He asked us to sell the combine. I tell you what, you talk about a smooth running 1460 now. This is it. That thing's that vibrate. Now, I didn't even know the correcting was on. It's so quiet. That load auger's on. There's a few beans left in the thing. We're not going to empty them out here, so we're ready to close that back up. It is a hydrostatic type transmission. Go ahead and back it up there a little bit, show it moving. Just come off the truck. They did haul it in because they come in from a little ways away. This rascal smooth. It does have the weld on the ladder when you get on. See, it's good and smooth there. It is a two-wheel drive. Does have a spreader on it. You can see the thrashing in the back. It's good and smooth. Not too bad in the back when they normally back into them. Got a little place here on the edge of the back, but yeah, this combine runs good and smooth. He's a good caretaker. He just rented his ground out, retired from farming, and knows it's not good to leave this stuff set. You can just see it here. They kept all this up. All that's good and smooth. We'll get you some pictures up underneath the grain tank. Pull it back forward. Shut her off, but yeah, it's a very straight machine. Like I said, a little weld on the ladder, a little bump in the back end. Up underneath here, you know, the grain tank looks good. And it's here on the lot if y'all want to come and inspect it. You're more than welcome to. The tires are down a little bit, but they're those deep lugs. They got some life left in them. You guys are wanting a cheap combine. I'm going to tell you, what I can see, the augers, they're pretty darn decent. They're not new, but they're not jagged, okay? Pretty decent in the cab. Like I say, there's an analog tack there with the hours on it. Drum looks good in the front. We'll get you some pictures up underneath there on the side. So